Hello, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own build reset button. Okay, give me a second. Just in this new map. It's not really new, but it's not. So once you're loading up, what you want to do, this is an updated version. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me just do this thing. That never works. So what? You're gonna go into your portal. Now you're gonna come into any portal. Let's do this one. Okay. You're gonna go into it. And look, here are the things that you're going to need: a explosive device and a button. For the button settings, these are all. Now you're going to go up here. Now these are all these. Now what? You're going to start your game. Okay. Start off. I might do a tutorial on this tomorrow. Here you go. Build. Run like that. Click it. Build resets. This one's actually infinite, so bam. So look, I can just turn this place in. So this is how you do it. You guys learn something.